Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. While I'm trying to create a game, the explorer on my right side of the Roblox Studio is missing. So I just creating a game like burger eating, while the player eats the burger and gets the health. See here, okay. But in the due course, accidentally, I just clicked on the delete of the explorer, so that got deleted. And many of the users who are new to this Roblox Studio, who are beginners I mean, will face this issue. So if explorer is missing, you can get it back easily. And anyway, if you want the tutorial of doing your first game something like this, just ask in the comments. I'll give you the link. I separately uploaded this video how you can create a small sample game. Okay, this health and this spawning of this burgers and everything, I'll be giving you the link, or check in the description. For this explorer, click on this window and see here explorer is unchecked. Just check this. Here it will be available. Not only explorer, even for that case, if you accidentally delete toolbar, then if you want toolbar, you can just check it here. Likewise, the properties tab, or anything you want, you go to Windows and select that. Okay, I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. If you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. And if you want this food spawning tutorial, means the game how you can develop with the simple code with a full explanation, I'll be doing a video on how you can do this from the scratch. I'll explain. Just ask in the comments. Just want this burger game, just comment like burger game. I'll be immediately doing this video. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.